so I've got a little buttercream behind here, and I'm going to pop those on. I may have a better chance of just staying with the buttercream. So on that tier, I can do some of the red and some of the darker green. And I'm not going to do a chord or anything that the lights are on. I'm just going to kind of put them on there random. And then the next tier up, we can use the lighter green and red. Like that. Okay, and if the buttercream comes out there, just take a damp brush and wipe that off. All right, I guess I need to paint some more. Good thing they're fast. By the way, these you don't even need to put any, you don't need to put these in the freezer. They actually just pop right out. Okay, so I've got some buttercream here and I'm just filling in the area, and I'm going to be putting this tissue paper right here in. So just squeeze a bunch of buttercream in there. You can even put cake in there if you want. And let me show you how I did that in a second, but I have a piece here. I was just kind of testing it before I went on with it. So I'm just going to kind of overlap some pieces, and I'll show you how I got that piece, and like I said, in a second. So I'll just do something like that, kind of scrunch it up, and then come back with the gold and paint it. First I tried just brushing it with some gold, but it wasn't dark enough, so I'm going to be painting it. You can certainly add another color like white to it. I just didn't want this cake to have any white on it. Okay, so how I got that, I will be taking out some more red, roll it out, and I'm actually using the plunger cutter here to make an impression. So if you have an impression mat that has snowflakes or something, you can certainly use that. I didn't, so I am using my plunger cutter. Okay, so then I take the plunger cutter and I just push in and then move it. And then, so I don't want to cut, but, whoops. I don't want to cut, just like that, push that back in. Have different thicknesses. Okay, and then I usually will cut so that I've got some sharp corners. So like this one, I'll go ahead and cut at a diagonal. And then it's easier to place these on. So this one, put a little more in here. I think I want this one to actually come up a bit. So I'm going to put this one actually in this way. And let it kind of come down in, and then where I want it to stick up here on the package, put some water behind it. Then I'll take a small one. Kind of like that's tucked under there. Yeah, I don't like the way that one is there. Cut that. Okay, and then I need to paint all of that. Come back and probably put a few other pieces in. So this one I want it to kind of stick up a bit underneath. So I'll go ahead and put the water and then actually put that up and let it kind of hang down. Okay, back with the gold paint, and we're almost there. Okay, I have some sugar pearls here. They're gold sugar pearls, And I just put them in a container, and I'm going to take a little bit of lemon extract. Ooh, that's a lot of lemon extract. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some of the gold and pop it on there. And then start getting those out before they melt. And then I'm going to pop them right in each of these little sections.